Let's get you up to speed with the dealer portal. This is your one-stop hub designed specifically for Masterpanel dealers. From onboarding merchants and tracking orders, to buying credits, hardware, and checking your commissions, you can do it all right here. First, you'll want to click on My Merchants on the left. You can easily filter or search to find your target. Then, just click View, and you'll see all the details at a glance. To create an account, click Add New Merchant, fill in the details, and the account is generated instantly. The login URL and admin credentials are right there on the detail page. Just copy and send them to your client. When they're ready, simply click Subscribe to activate their plan. Need to renew, add or remove branches, or upgrade their plan later? You can manage all of that directly from the merchant detail page. Beyond software, you can also top up merchant SMS credits or order POS hardware directly through the portal. For payments, keep an eye on the red number next to invoices. That's your pending payment alert. Here's the best part. The system automatically calculates your dealer commission and deducts it directly from the bill. This means you only need to pay the net amount. And don't forget to check the commission section to see your total earnings. Finally, in the profile section, you can add phone numbers for your partners or staff, granting them access to help manage the portal. It's all about efficient business management.